are about to close.
Okay guys, so this is a short ride from Dirido all the way to Tamien, just testing out the South County connector. So the locomotive that's plying this train is 928. And you can hear the old door chime, closing chime here on this one. This is like Caltrain before electrification. There's a train connecting to. That was a connecting train. 514 that left.
Welcome aboard Caltrain 814 and Gilroy bound train. If you're not going to Garbage, Gilroy, Tamien is your next stop.
There's a locomotive. So once again, pre-Caltrain
This train
electrification.
is going toward Gilroy, making the following stop, which is Tamien, Capital, Blossom Hill, Morgan Hill, San Martin, and Gilroy. If those are not your stops, and that's the train at Tamien.
Much cooler. The other car is much cooler. You guys want to go down to one more car? That one's
I'm getting off at the next stop, so it doesn't matter for me.
30 degrees cooler. Yeah, man. Thanks, brother. Yeah, no problem.
So with the manual door announcements, so that's pre-Caltrain electrification. Sure, and the MP36 is definitely 928, plying this train. So this is just going to be a short ride, guys. As you can see, I could tell the difference that these older diesels are a lot slower than the new EMUs right off the bat. And this train is now only 3 cars long. And here at the MP36P2 here on the South County connector. And that's again pre-Caltrain electrification. New EMUs have the digital horn. Now we're going over 280. .280, 87 junction. I know this car is really hot right now, but luckily it doesn't matter since I'm getting off the next stop, which is Tamien. There's Highway 87, Guadalupe Parkway. Heavy rush hour traffic.
Once again, folks, this is the 814 Gilroy bound train. If you're not going to Gilroy, please exit at the next stop, which is Tamien.
Okay, so this is the Guadalupe River. There's the Guadalupe River Bridge replacement project here, where the tracks are cut off. So now we're here at Tamien on this very short ride on the South County connector. Alright folks, that's it for the short ride from Dirido to Tamien on the South County Connector. Have a good one, and see you next time. There's the EMU.